cylinder is operating with a normal way it should be operating. So he said it's antenna motor.
Right down the top on the whole thing.
Whole thing works.
That's the only problem is if that goes down.
No, yes, control the motor. How motor should move, what angle it should move.
So what's the solution to that issue?
So it's just absolute still has to do. We have to upgrade.
Just in case. So it comes
Overlapping from Nandi.
you can trace the pressure depression of
No, no.
no, it's still enough.
Today what we have is to currently installed.
Currently.
Yes. Just recently.
Why does it have to be so popular?
Like you will already set up everything. We are arranged with it.
So if everything goes off, how much time does this thing take?
2 hours. Depending on the load. This is for the hydrology.
Hydrology.
All the operations for hydrology we have this design.
How many hydrology people do you have?
This actually is
Three.
three of us.
So you're hydrology.
Hydrology.